Well, I'm Les Burch, and I'm president of Sashco, and it's a family-owned company. Well, I think there's two things. One is that caulking tends to be the small guy at the end of the job, and quite often people are just trying to finish the job, and it's a checkbox. Get the caulking on. Part of Caulking 101 is going through the basics, so people who own contracting companies have the step-by-step that they in turn can use for training. And number two, we're finding that a lot of even experienced folks pick up some good tips through the course. How to think of caulking as part of the building materials and the finish of the job. And one of the big mistakes that people tend to make is looking at it only as an aesthetic to cover up the crack rather than a performance item that needs to absorb the movement and the wear and tear of the structure and keep the seal secure. That's the biggest thing we want them to take out. And then the other is, the most valuable thing of ZF is always people sharing with each other, their business techniques, what they're doing, and they learn from each other. So we're kind of a host for that learning. Yeah, we have some things we teach, but I think the most valuable is them getting together with each other.